In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stamp in Docusign. This guide will help you navigate through the platform and make your electronic documents not only secure, but also visually distinct with your custom stamp. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and visit the Docusign website, which holds the top spot in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once you've reached the home page, you'll see a login button. Give that a click. If you've been along this journey with Docusign before, entering your credentials will be a breeze. If it's your first time, simply follow the prompts to set up your account. After you log in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. The layout is user-friendly, designed to make your navigation as seamless as possible. Here, we're aiming for the admin section, so go ahead and click on admin from the menu. This section is like the backstage of your Docusign performance, where you control the various features and settings. Once inside the admin area, look for the Stamps link and give it a click. Stamps in Docusign allow you to add an extra layer of personalization and professionalism to your documents, much like a virtual business card. This can be particularly useful for official company documents or personalizing communications. Now let's go to the exciting part, creating your stamp. You'll see the Create Stamp button staring right at you. Click on it and a new window will prompt you to move forward with your creation. This is where your creativity and branding efforts will shine through. To bring your stamp to life, you'll need to select an image file from your computer. This should be a representation of your brand or personal identity, be it a logo, an insignia, or any graphical element that resonates best with you or your business. Click on Choose File and browse through your files to select the image you want. Make sure your image is of high quality and adheres to any size specifications Docusign might recommend. With your image chosen and uploaded, you'll finalize your stamp, which will now appear as an available option whenever you prepare a document for signing. This addition can significantly elevate the look and feel of your agreements, leaving a lasting impression on recipients. That's it. You've successfully created a custom stamp on Docusign, ready to enhance your electronic documents with a touch of personal or professional class. Give yourself a pat on the back for mastering yet another tool that makes document handling more efficient and stylish. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to boost your digital workflow.